Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on the very important update related to TCS NQT 2026. So finally next phase result has been out. So in this video I will talk about the pending results, assessments and all those updates. So as you can see, some of the students are getting the mail for that. Brother, 30th April interview, TCS NQT prime role, got document submission mail, and finally they got the offer letter for today. That is the Hyderabad role. Okay, means so the things I want to tell that if you are waiting for the result, so you have must check whether you got or not. And first thing that I want to tell you that must comment here whether you got the document mail or the offer letter or not, and with your reason, so that other student will get clarity that whether you did get or not. So currently the candidates from the various region like the Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chennai and the multiple locations are getting in various phases, okay, and various shifts. So must comment here your shifts and when you did got the interview. And some students are also getting the interview mail. Again saying friends, now this the speed has been degraded, but you have to be patient because it might take up to 1 month 45 days. It completely depend on then, but yeah, अब पहले के कंपेरिजन में वही थोड़ा टाइम ले रहे हैं, बट wait. And again saying don't completely depend on just TCS. Keep applying for other off campus drive like other hiring. Okay, soon the Cognizant hiring will be announced, so I will provide all those updates here. So that's I want to tell why the updates means why you are getting the result or why the result is getting delayed. The main reason here friends, already they have onboarded many students and almost means what can I say, that training center, they have limited training center and limited seats, so that got vacant. Means whenever that will vacant, then ever you will get the joining and offer and other things. But the main thing is that for 2026 pass out especially, you have to be patient. For 2025, yeah, there might be some reasons of getting delay, but be patient. Again saying keep a hope, and again keep applying for other of campus drive. Don't completely sit for a single particular company. And for 2026 you should be not worry about, because first of all you have to complete your examination, you have to clear all your semester, and post that you have to basically submit all those documents, then only you will get the basically joining date. So that's the thing I want to tell. 2026 pass out, you should not worry about that. But for 2025, again I will saying that keep eye on your mail, and if you are getting then fine, otherwise keep applying for other drive, don't depend on it. Okay, so these are the reason of getting delay. So candidates from various region are also getting the offer letter and joining dates. Now again it depend on their business requirement and what are the requirements in that particular locations, whether they have projects or not. So it depends on lots of other factors. So I have some patience. That all the things I want to tell. And those who exam further, like those who are waiting for the exam, those who missed that, you will get the update soon. So keep an eye on your mail. So related to aptitude and coding questions, just go through our video which I have already provided. That is enough. Many of the students are getting, and those who got the interview mail want to schedule your mock interview with us, you can also fill the form in the description. We will provide you complete guidance and help you to clear. Remember friends, either you are giving the interview to me or not, must attend some mock interview, because through mock interview only you will know your strength, your weakness, and you will basically improve accordingly. So those who exam and interview further, best of luck. And जो भी भाई वेट कर रहे एग्जाम का, आपको थोड़ा वेट करना का मीन्स आई थिंक लास्ट वीक ऑफ मे यू विल बी गेटिंग द असेसमेंट मेल. सो दीज आर द सम अपडेट रिलेटेड टू द पेंडिंग रिजल्ट्स एंड पेंडिंग असेसमेंट एंड ऑल दोस. आई होप आई हैव कवर ऑल योर क्वेरी. इफ यू स्टिल हैव एनी क्वेरी, feel free to ask here. We can connect LinkedIn or Insta or Facebook or WhatsApp platform you are comfortable with. We can communicate there, and कोई भी query again feel free to ask here. And best of luck who have interview further. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.